If you have a family vehicle or a business with a fleet of vehicles, we understand the importance of it turning on every time you turn that key. We know it can be very overwhelming and stressful when you get into an accident or when your vehicle breaks down. These are things that we don't necessarily worry about until they happen. I'm Louis Batista, and we're all about Price and Select Collision Center, located in Bunnell, Florida, minutes away from beautiful Palm Coast. We are a family-owned business, ran and operated by my brother John and I. Right, John?
That's right.
We believe in faith and family, and it is the foundation that drives everything we do. We specialize in collision service, mechanical service, car sales. As an ASE certified and ICAR certified collision center, we have all the resources, knowledge, and experience to guide you through this process. Right, John?
That's right.
When it comes to collision repair work, we work with all insurance companies, offering a lifetime warranty on all of our work. We offer solutions such as towing, dealing with insurance companies, discounted rental vehicles, and more. Everything from heavy collision, windshield replacements to a simple dent repair. And through our TechNet program, we provide the comfort of a 24-month, 24,000-mile warranty on parts and labor. If you decide to wait while your vehicle is being serviced, you can relax in our waiting area with beverages, snacks, TV, and Wi-Fi. We speak English, Portuguese, and Spanish. All of our team members are friendly and professional, just like my brother John. Right, John?
That's right.
We look forward to earning your trust. If you find yourself in an accident or if your vehicle stops working, call 386-263-2723. Right, John?
That's right.